Hello friends, in this video I will show how to download and install Grammarly to your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So first thing you have to do, open any web browser and search here grammarly.com. Create your account, and if you have already, so sign in, and after that just you have to click on apps. Now here you will see Grammarly for Windows. Grammarly for your desktop is your one-stop solution to get writing suggestions. Click on install. See this warning, so click on keep. Now double click on this Grammarly. Now sign up your account for free if you have already. So sign in to exiting account. Select your mail and click on continue to Grammarly. Now open Grammarly. You can skip, and also you can see the walkthrough for this display. Close it. This is the web version. To open application, click on this Windows icon and search here Grammarly. Open this application. Now here click on new document. Grammarly is up and running. Start typing in an app or on a website and you will see Grammarly's widget appear like this. So this is the way guys you can download and install Grammarly in your Windows 11 in 2022. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe to the channel.